morning, all of you. How are you? Are all of you ready for introduction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. Hello, my name is. I live in Sitamarhi. I am 8 years old. I go to Sunshine Public School. I read in class 2. I live in Sitamarhi. I live in Sitamarhi district. I live in Bihar state. I live in India country. I live in Asia continent. I live in Tirhut Commissionary. Patna is the capital of Bihar. New Delhi is the capital of India. Mr. Richi Pandey is the DM of Sitamarhi. Mr. Amit Ranjan is the SP of Sitamarhi. Mr. Samrat Chaudhary is the CM of Bihar. Mr.